welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle, one up, just as wondering. Today I'm at my mum and dad's house for one reason, because I'm going to see them, so that's another reason. But today I'm going to be updating our tow bar. It looks like this currently. So it's quite like rusty and just a bit naff. And I think looking at that, with it being a little bit neater, it could make or break the van kind of thing, with the rest of the bodywork looking quite nice. So yeah, I'm going to give it a good clean and see what we can do with it today. So one of the really easy things you can do is just use a wire end of a drill or a wire brush. Give it a really good clean as best you can. It's not going to be perfect because you can't get to it all, but get to where you can. Use a screwdriver where you can't. Yeah, clean it up and then we'll paint it. So I'm just going to use this first. Can you hear Bella? So I've cleaned it up as best I can. I've gone over it with the wire brush, and now I'm going to mask this off and put a sheet up and anti-rust primer it. And then we're going to paint it black because that's the theme of the van, like a sandy colour and a black. Apologies about the background noise, but I have dogs and I'm on a road, so much louder than normal. So I've masked up. Look at the size of this masking tape. It's creepy in the industry of craft because you end up finding stuff like this. But yeah, so I've just masked up everything apart from the tow bar area. And I'm going to put anti-rust primer in now in grey. So I'm using an anti-rust zinc primer. You can use what you want, but anti-rust preferably. So that is now primered. It's now looking a heck of a lot better already. So clean. Yeah. So now you just want to get some like metal paint, some anti-rust metal paint, and then let this dry obviously, and then put that on, and you got a new tow bar, and that'll make such a difference to the van. So yeah, I'll let this dry and I'll come back. So the paint's now dry. So I'm going to go over that. I've been stuck. I think I've just been stuck like on my back down here, the other side, by a wasp or something, but it really hurts and I can't reach it, and my mum's not home so she can't help me. Anyway, that's the worst, but did a trial. I'm going to use what I can because I really don't think there's much in here, then I'm going to have to pop out, but I'm going to try and get a little bit on. Look at the difference. So I haven't used the wax oil because it doesn't actually ever dry. It's designed to stay a little bit damp. So using the dinner drawers like Amorite. But yeah. Woohoo! Let that dry and then I'll take all this off and we'll see what it looks like. I'm excited. I think that looks so much better, just a bit more fresh. It needs touching up in places where I run out of paint, so that's fine. Just where it was needed. Gleaming black as night. Cloistered in injustice. How good does that look? Difference is unbelievable. Just really neatens up the van. So yeah, if this is something you want to go have a go at, do it. There's nothing that can really go wrong. Get some rust proof primer and a rust proofing paint, metal paint, and give it a go. Otherwise you can't buy a new tow bar and who wants to do that, so you may as well try and refurb it. Have a go, let me know in the comments if you do, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.